Hello everyone, I hope you all will be fine. Okay, let's start our new topic, that is fraction for class E to C. Right? In fraction, today we will focus on that how we divide a fraction by a whole number or dividing a whole number by a fraction. Is it clear? So the first one is dividing a fraction by a whole number. Okay student, look at the board. I have a question number 1, part number A, that is 2 by 5 divided by 6, mean dividing a fraction by a whole number. Is it clear? 2 by 5 is a fraction and 6 is a whole number. So I will tell you that how can you divide this fraction by a whole number. So what I will do, I will write the fraction as it is, 2 by 5 divided by, okay, next is 6. 6 is a whole number. If I want to write this whole number in form of fraction, definitely I will write the denominator 1, mean it will be written as 6 by 1. Is it clear? Mean first number is a fractional number, so write the other number in form of fraction by writing the denominator 1. Now you can simplify it. What is the way to simplify? 2 by 5. Okay, you must remember when you have division sign between the fraction. When you have division sign between the fraction, divide will change into multiply. And the number that is written after the division symbol, it will be reciprocal when you change division into multiply. Why? Because you know that multiplication and division are reciprocal to each other. These are opposite to each other. So whenever you have fraction sign, when you have division signs between the fraction, the division will change into multiplication and the number that is written after the division symbol will be reciprocal. 6 by 1 will become 1 by 6. Is it clear? Now it's simple multiplication of the fractions. You know that numerators and denominators can be simplified on the same table if it is possible. So you can see 2 and 6. You can cut them on the same table. But you should remember, for simplification or cutting, it's necessary that one number should be in the numerator and the other number should be in the denominator. Is it clear? So you can see 2 and 6. These two numbers can be simplified on the same table. You all know that 2 1 times 2 and 2 3 times 6. Now you have 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 3. Is it clear? And no more cutting or simplification is possible. So you will simply multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 1 1s are 1 and 5 3s are 15. So your answer is 1 by 15. Similarly, in part number B, a fraction is being divided by a whole number. What is the step? 3 by 4 divided by whole number will be written in form of fraction like 4 by 1. And in next step, 3 by 4 division sign will change into multiplication and 4 by 1 will be reciprocal and it will become 1 by 4. Now you will check that simplification is possible or not. You can see in the numerator and the denominator. No more simplification on the same table. So you will simply multiply numerator with the numerator. 3 1s are 3 and denominator with the denominator. 4 4 times 16. So answer is 3 by 16. Is it clear? So this was about how we divide a fraction by a whole number. So in part number 2, if you have a whole number and that whole number is being divided by a fraction, then what will you do? Again the same step, in form of fraction, 6 will be written as 6 by 1 divided by 2 by 3. You have division sign between the fractions. So what we will do? Division sign will change into multiplication and the fraction that is written after the division symbol will be reciprocal. Is it clear? The number that is after the division symbol will be reciprocal. So 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. Now 6 by 1 into 3 by 2. You can see 2 and 6 can be simplified on the same table. To 1 times 2 and 2, 3 times 6. No more simplification. So 3 3s are 9 and 1 1s are 9. 9 by 1 can be written as 9. Okay. In part number C, whole number in form of fraction 7 by 1 divided by 7 by 8. Right. In next step, 7 by 1 division symbol will be changed into multiplication and 7 by 8 will be reciprocal. It will become 8 by 7. Now you can see 7 1 times 7 and 7 1 times 7. 8 1 times 8 and 1 1s are 1. 8 by 1 can be written as 8. So 8 will be your answer. So this is how we divide a fraction by a whole number and dividing a whole number by a fraction. Is it clear?